Do you know how to use these expressions correctly? Let's find out. For example, if you're late for a meeting and you say, "Oops, sorry I'm late," then the other person might reply, "No worries, no problem, it doesn't matter." Or imagine somebody's lent you a pen and you break it. You say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I've broken the pen you've lent me." And the other person might say, "Oh, it doesn't matter, it's okay." Remember that you say it. It doesn't matter. The thing that has happened has no importance. But the subject, it's going to be it. It doesn't matter. Something different is when you use the expression "I don't care." If you say "I don't care," it means you're not interested in something. So you could say, "Well, I don't care about the Oscars. I'm not interested in the Oscars." Or in general, "I don't care much for football. No, I don't really like it. I'm not really interested in football." Or I may ask the question, "Do you care about politics? Are you interested in politics?" So if somebody says something like, "Oops, I'm sorry you haven't been invited to the wedding," and you mean to reply that you're not interested at all, you say, "Well, I don't care." "I'm sorry you haven't been invited." "Well, I don't care." If you mean to say that you are really, really, really not interested, you wanted to show your disinterest, you would say, "Well, I couldn't care less. I'm not interested at all. I'm not worried, I'm not affected by it." Okay? Imagine one of your friends has done something to you, you're angry, and then somebody says, "Anna wants to apologize to you." And you're still angry or don't want to accept their apology. You say, "I don't care. I couldn't care less. I'm not interested. I'm not going to be bothered by this." This is completely different from the expression "I don't mind." When you use this, you're saying that you have no preference. So if somebody says, "Should we meet at 10 or 11?" and you have no preference, you could say, "Oh, I don't mind. Either is fine with me." Or if you're given the option, "Would you like to order pizza or pasta?" you say, "I don't mind." It means there's no preference. And this is fine, nice. It really means that you have no preference. That is why if somebody asks, "Should we meet at 10 or 11?" and your reply is, "I don't care," you're going to sound probably rude, as if you're saying, "I can't be bothered. I'm not interested in what you're saying at all." Okay? This is especially true for the UK. Okay? Also, perhaps in America, some Americans might find this expression rude as well. Some others may not. But especially in the UK, if somebody asks, "Should we meet at 10 or 11?" and you say, "I don't care," this is going to sound rude. Probably what you mean to say is that you have no preference. So, "Should we meet at 10 or 11? I don't mind. I have no preference." The same goes for this question. If somebody asks, "Would you like to order pizza or pasta?" and you say, "I don't care," this is going to sound probably rude. So, "Would you like to order pizza or pasta?" "I don't mind." Do you know how to use these expressions now?